Hello everybody, welcome to Magnetic House. So today our topic is heat. Heat is a chapter of class 7 science chapter 4. Okay. NCERT book topic is so today we will topic by topic read NCERT book. So at first our starting is heat. Heat. What do you mean by heat? So basically when we go out in the sun or we we come out in fire so we feel heat जब हम लोग कई हीट में कई किसी हीट प्लेस में जाते हैं लाइक बर्निंग फायर के सामने जाते हैं या फिर सन में जाते हैं तो हमें हीट महसूस होता है तो ऐसा क्यों होता है ये हम लोग जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में तो हीट के बारे में पहले हम लोग को जानना है हीट क्या है तो हीट का डिफाइन हम लोग लिख सकते हैं हीट इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी फ्रॉम वन medium or object to another. Okay, what is the definition? See, heat definition is kinetic energy that radiate means वो फ्लो करता है जैसे वी टेक ए iron rod or anything is any metal and we put in a fire so if one end of the metal is heated then the another end will be automatically heated radiate hotter to colder part okay hotter to colder part ये इतना यहाँ तो हम समझ गए अब हम लोग टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे को हॉट और कोल्ड तो देखिए हम लोग का सबसे पहले अब टॉपिक क्या है यहाँ पे हॉट एंड कोल्ड या ये हम लोग का टॉपिक है हम लोग अब स्टडी करेंगे टॉपिक नंबर 14.1 हॉट एंड कोल्ड ओके तो यहाँ पे एक टेबल दिया हुआ है हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट्स और कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बाद यहाँ पे है आइसक्रीम तो आइसक्रीम इज ऑब्वियसली कूल स्पून इन ए टी कप इट इज वार्म फ्रूट जूस कूल एंड हैंडल ऑफ फ्राइंग पैन वार्म warm or cool you can say because it is neither hot or neither cold okay so here it yes as I told some of them are cold tea is a hot and ice is a cold so we have to like this we have to list some objects which are hot and cold okay so here is one precaution is here that we shouldn't touch any object which is hot or cold hot okay so now here comes activity 14.1 so here is written take three small tubs here are three small tubs label them as a b c and put cold water in mug a in mug a here is cold water and in mug we mix some cold and some hot water. Water means in mug B there is warm water, and in mug C we have to give hot water in C. For 2 to 3 minutes we have to give hands in all the containers. So we feel that container A is cold, and container B is not too much cold and not too much warm, hot. Okay. सो अब देखिए क्या आता है, एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक आने जा रहा है. Bujo's confusion shows that cannot we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. Then how do we find out how hot an object really is? And reliable measure of this hotness of object is temperature. So temperature है the measure of heat of any object is known as temperature. Okay, so temperature, how do we measure temperature? It is measured by a device called thermometer. So see, thermometer images. Okay, so see here, this is a digital thermometer. Okay, so this is known as thermometer. There are different types of digital and as well as old thermometers. Old thermometers which were used. Okay, so here see what is heat. I told you, heat is transfer of kinetic energy from one medium to another object. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक तीन वर्ड्स लिखा हुआ है, रेडिएशन, कंडक्शन और कन्वेंशन. ये टॉपिक हम लोग चैप्टर के लास्ट में पढ़ेंगे. ये मेन टॉपिक है इस चैप्टर के. ओके, सो अब हम लोग हमारे पास क्या है, मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर. चलिए अब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर. ओके, सो चलिए पढ़ते हैं मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर. So now our topic is clinical thermometer. Actually, our topic is that reading temperature. Okay, so in reading temperature, at first our topic is clinical thermometer. See, clinical thermometer. Okay, so here what is in clinical thermometer? Let me share my screen. Yeah, see here, clinical thermometer is here. So what is the shape of clinical thermometer? At first see, a clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at one end. That bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. If you do not see mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you can see. You will also find scale by the thermometer. Scale we use is the Celsius scale, indicated by डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो यहाँ पे आप समझ गए होंगे क्या है. यहाँ पे देखिए आप लोग, ये जो बल्ब है इसे कहते हैं हम लोग क्लिनिकल थर्मा. इसमें रहता है मरकरी. तो पार्टिकुलरली मरकरी यूज होता है क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर में, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इसका एडवांटेजेस क्या है कि वो ग्लास में स्टिक नहीं होता और वो फैल सकता है हीट होने पे, और वो रूम टेम्परेचर पे लिक्विड फॉर्म में रहता है. ठीक, तो आप यहाँ पे रीडिंग्स भी देख सकते हैं इसका. और हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है रीडिंग ए थर्मामीटर. एट फर्स्ट यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, एक क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर रीड फ्रॉम टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो हम लोग को इसे रीड करना है. इसे तो अगर आपको क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर रीड करने नहीं आता है तो आप ये वीडियो देख सकते हैं. सी, So hope you understand how to read a clinical thermometer. So let's move to see here. Precautions are also there. Two precautions to be observed while using a clinical thermometer is thermometer should be washed before use. These all things you have see there. Okay. So you were seeing this. What is this? So see here. Here between the two thermometer, two read scale, here in between five lines are there. So in between what is reading in these five lines, it is here 1 by 5 reading is here equal to 0.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we must note one thing here. Here that Celsius to Kelvin. Let's read how to convert Celsius to Kelvin. So at first, see 0 degree 0 degree Celsius हो जाएगा 0 degree Celsius equal to 273 wait 273 Kelvin. So for example, in exam it is asking 10 10 degree Celsius equal to what? So here we can answer 273 degree Celsius plus 273 degree Kelvin. Sorry, 273 Kelvin plus 273 Kelvin plus how much Celsius we need to be converted 10 degrees Celsius. So we know what will be the answer. It will be 283 Kelvin. Okay. So this was a small thing outside the book. So this you must remember. It may ask in competitive exams or any exams. Okay. So now move. These all things we have seen in that video. Now we come to laboratory thermometer. Okay. Now we come to laboratory thermometer. Now we will read. Okay. So laboratory thermometer. At first, where is laboratory thermometer? So laboratory thermometer is also known as lab thermometer. Okay. So lab thermometer, it is it is mainly used for example, reading the boiling point. Okay, reading the boiling point, reading the freezing point, anything. So to read these all temperatures, so we got range of Celsius in laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's move forward about laboratory thermometer. So laboratory thermometer, see here is laboratory thermometer. At first, read in book. We read in book. We must read in book what is written about it. So how do we measure the temperature of other object for this person? There are other thermometer. One such thermometer is known as laboratory thermometer. Okay. So different types of thermometer are used for different purposes. For example, the maximum minimum temperature for of the previous day recorded in the weather of the sorry, the maximum minimum temperature of the previous day is reported in weather report measured by thermometer called maximum minimum thermometer. Here you will confuse. So you will want to know what is maximum minimum thermometer. So you don't need to confuse. Its name is maximum minimum thermometer. Let's see what is it. See, now we will see. Yeah, perfect, perfect. See here. Here you can see it is, we can here read maximum as well as minimum. Both thermometers are here and we can read both. So you understand now maximum minimum thermometer, no need to confuse in this. Okay. Now how to use laboratory thermometer, at first see this. So you know laboratory thermometer uses. Okay. So now back to chapter. See here, maximum is 110 degrees Celsius and minimum is -10. It is not here. It is -10. Okay. It is here is the same experiment done here. Okay. So let's see how fastly the topic is being finished. So see here something is there. There is a lot of concern over use of mercury in thermometers. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose of if a thermometer breaks. These days, digital thermometers are available which do not use mercury. हाँ, it is an important topic. यहाँ पे हम लोग को कह रहा है कि मरकरी बहुत ही टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस है और उसको इनहेल करने पे हम लोग को बॉडी को हार्म पहुंच सकता है और अगर ये थर्मामीटर ब्रेक हो गया तो ये डिस्पोज हो जाएगा। ओके, तो इसी बात को ध्यान में रखने के लिए आजकल हमें डिजिटल थर्मामीटर्स यूज हो रहा है। सो सी डिजिटल थर्मामीटर्स, सी यहाँ पे डिजिटल थर्मामीटर है, इसका यूज भी देख लीजिए। सी यहाँ पे हम लोग को यहाँ पे हमको ये सब नहीं पढ़ना है, हम लोग को सिर्फ यहाँ पे देखना है, पार्ट्स का नेम देखना है। यहाँ पे हम लोग को यहाँ पे एक फीवर सेंसर है और यहाँ पे एक प्रोब है, ओके। और यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले है, डिस्प्ले है जहाँ पे हम लोग को रीडिंग से है। इसके आगे हम लोग को कुछ नहीं देखना है, थर्मामीटर, थर्मामीटर में, ओके। सो हम लोग अब सिर्फ एक टॉपिक बचा है, वो है ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट, ओके। इसमें हम लोग कंडक्शन, कन्वेक्शन और रेडिएशन तीनों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो ये हम लोग पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, ओके। सो फॉर दैट, बाय। And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel.